Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Binance App Voucher. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you already do not have a profile on this application. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom, we can see that we have the markets, Square, we have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit, we have the discover tab, and the portfolio tab at the very end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Binance App Voucher. So Binance vouchers offer various perks such as free tokens, trading fee rebates, and more. And here's how you can redeem them. Of course, firstly, as I said, log into your Binance account, go to profile, and then go to the rewards hub. You can see that we have web wallet, deposit, convert, referral, support, and the last one is the rewards hub. Click on the rewards tab, then click on my vouchers to view available rewards. So when you go and click on my vouchers, which is the second option here, you can see the available rewards. Under the ongoing tab, find the voucher you want to use, for example, token voucher, trading fee rebate voucher, and follow the instructions to redeem the voucher. Remember that Binance vouchers are non-transferable and have expiry dates to use them promptly. If you have a specific type of voucher in mind, feel free to ask for more details, the of course support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.